calves number 2. This one sitting like this, the back arm coming onto the big tread, and then we're just pushing it in like that, moving it around the calf muscle and the soleus muscle. See where you're tight. If you do find a tight spot, just giving it a little bit of a jiggle. And again, you only want to go, I'd say, a maximum of 2 minutes in any one spot. Just reverse that, coming over the other way. It's this hand now on big tread, and again, putting as much pressure as you need up and down the calf and the soleus. If you find a tight spot, you can linger there a little bit longer. Probably wouldn't want to do any more than 2 minutes on the whole calf, or else you might experience a little bit of soreness the next day.